Hello everyone, Zine with you, and today we'll show you how to restore disabled Google account. Now, first thing that you can actually do is to click on Start Appeal on the bottom right side, as you can see. After you click on Start an Appeal, if you cannot see it, and if you see this menu or this interface, you just have to click on Try to restore your Google account. Once you click on it, you'll see here this page. Click on Next, then click on Enter Appeal Reason, and add any reason that you actually need. So let's say that I have entered this message, for example. After that, I click on Next. Then what you should do is to enter an alternative email in order to send any updates on your email that has been disabled. So it should be a different email, of course, and it should be something active that you can actually use also. So here, this is an email of one of my relatives. So that's why I entered my email. Then after that, click on Submit Appeal, and you will get this message. Now you should wait for a couple of days until you get a message like this: account recovered successfully. And in most of cases, your account will be recovered. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.